Hi, I'm Chris Luberski from the United States Mint, Philadelphia. I am a medal maker. I've been at the Mint for 30 years. It's usually my job to do the gold medals, which we get once or twice a year. Our first step usually is to anneal the blanks, and that entails doing a hand torch till you get it almost like a nice rose color. It softens the metal up, so it makes it easier to strike. Then it's put it in a quench tank, dry it off, and then I take it over and I wire brush it, squirt it down with some alcohol, clean it up, then it's ready to stamp. Then we take it over to the press, and I have it set up today for 400 tons, 450 tons, 3 times, 3 strikes. We were fortunate that all the engraving was up on the 1 strike. We didn't have to strike it a second time, so that worked out real well for us. Looked good. Took it over to the lathe. It fits into a carrier, what we call it. It's like a mirror image of the metal. It locks in there, so it holds it in place when you're cutting it. So that the lathe comes across and cuts off. Takes about 30 thousandths off at each cut. After that's done, we have to collect all the scrap. And again, we check the metal well, make sure there's no scratches or anything to that effect. Now it has to be weighed. After that's done, then we go in the other room and we do what's called bench work. Any type of little scratches or pit marks or anything. We have stones, sandpapers that we use to kind of clean it up. It usually takes about an hour or 2 for each metal. After that's done, then we have to take it over to what we call wet tech. It has like a slurry that squirts down onto the metal. It gives it like a nice matte finish. So it gives it a nice uniform finish all the way around. I've done quite a few. You feel proud to give it to the person that's getting it, that it looks good, and it's nice quality metal, and they'll enjoy it.